Tableau online training. My name is Anand and your instructor for this Tableau training. Today we are going to watch how we are going to install the Tableau Public. Tableau supports different softwares, Tableau Desktop and Tableau Public, two different softwares to create a visualization. But when it is coming to Tableau Desktop, it is paid version. That means you can only install for trial versions for 14 days and after that you have to purchase that software. But whereas if you are interested to explore your data and you know that your data has a story and you want to share it to the world, in that case, if your data is not so much enterprise level data, in that case go ahead with the Tableau Public. It's a free of cost and you are going to use Tableau Public to explore the data. So let's see how we are going to install Tableau Public in today's session. Now I have opened the tableau.com, going to the products, and you see here there is something called as Tableau Public. You can click on the Tableau Public and it is asking you to enter your business email ID. To visualize your data, you need some software, as I told, either Tableau Desktop or Tableau Public, but Tableau Desktop is chargeable. It's a paid version. So we want to explore the data, so we are going for the free version of the Tableau Public, provided with the certain limitations, like you cannot save it on the local machine. You have to save on Tableau Public. Those all the things I am going to show you practically. At the same time, it is some limited data sources you can connect. You cannot connect to Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL or any data sources. For certain flat files it is supporting, like Excel, CSV. But for the practice purpose, if you want to learn the Tableau Public is far better to start your journey. So let's see. Anand@skillsoft.com. Some email ID I have provided. Click on download. So you can see I am downloading the Tableau Public. You can see here the download is started here. You can see your download is completed and it's now what you have to do is you have to click install. Just double click on the .exe file whatever you have downloaded and you can see here run. I accept the terms and conditions and I don't want to send any product usage data and click on install. If you are sure that I want to install on different drive, you can customize also. You can change which drive you want to install. But right now I want to go with the default. So let me install it. You can see on your screen, on your desktop, you can see Tableau Public icon is showing. Okay, double click on that icon, that will launch your Tableau Public. Now you can see Tableau Public is installed on your desktop. Just simply click on the Tableau Public icon. It is opening Tableau Public data sources it is supporting. It is supporting only the file systems. What are the different file systems it is supporting? Excel, CSV, text file, JSON file. What about the databases? No, it is not supporting. How about the more? If I click on more, I am seeing only two things: Google Sheets and Web Data Connector. So what we understood, you cannot connect with the SQL, Oracle or MySQL or any other databases. It is limited to your flat files and Google Sheets and Web Data Connector. So that's the limitation of the Tableau Public. Now let's connect with your Excel. Click on Microsoft Excel and go to your data source. Connect to your data source. I am connecting to my global superstore data. I have the Excel already with me. Simply drag and drop these orders and click on the sheet 1. Okay, data is loading. Click on the sheet 1. You can see here you connected to orders and you are able to see available data in front of you. Now you want to see region wise sales. Suppose drag and drop the region and drag and drop the sales. So in each region, what are the different sales? You want to do the orientation, change the orientation. Each region you want different color, drag and drop the region on different color. You want to see the values on top of the sales in each region, drag and drop the sales on each region. So this is the chart which is talking about region wise sales, and we have used our Tableau Public to do it. Now this is about the Tableau Public installation. Next talks about how to create a Tableau Public profile. Go here and try to make sign up. On the Tableau Public site, you are doing the sign up. Once you click on sign up, it is asking give the name of your name. I am giving my name as Anand. My email ID here online trainer anand@gmail.com. Whatever the password I want, I can provide the password and I can provide the confirm password and click save it. So if you observe here, I cannot save it in my local machine. Save to Tableau Public you are seeing in the tooltip, or you can go here and save as. You have to save from Tableau Desktop Public. You can save only on the Tableau Public, which is a whatever the profile we have created. So click on the save. It is asking you to sign in your account. Provide the whatever the profile I have done. Provide the account online trainer anand@gmail.com and type the password. Now whatever the workbook you have created, what you want to give? I want to tell Tableau Public demo 2 and click on save. Okay, fine. Now it is saving the data and your Tableau workbook over the Tableau Public site. Now it is opening automatically Tableau Public site. Okay, and you can see publish is complete and your visualization is coming here. If you want to see your other visualizations what you have created, click on my profile and you see other visualizations whatever you have created. Just now we have published this visualization. If you want to download, you can download. If you want to delete, you can delete here. If you want to make a favorite, you can make a favorite. All these different features are available as a part of your Tableau Public site. So what is the major difference we have seen in Tableau Desktop Professional Edition and Tableau Desktop Public Edition? Limited number of data sources. First point, you cannot connect with the Tableau Public, you cannot connect SQL or Oracle any data sources, only flat files. And second difference is you can save in the local machine with the help of Tableau Desktop Professional Edition, whereas in the Public Edition you cannot save into local machine. You have to save on the Tableau Public, which is on the internet. And the third major thing is whatever you are saving here, anyone can access, provided because you are installing on the Tableau Public, anyone can access your profile and they can download your whatever the work you have done. So there is no security to your data. Thank you. Hope you find this useful. Have a great day. Happy learning.